Push-ups are one of the simplest and most effective exercises for your upper body. But most of the people do them wrong. You might be doing push-ups every day, but if you're making these mistakes, you're wasting your effort. Mistake number 1, wrong hand and elbow position. If you let your elbows flare out, forming a big T shape with your body, you are putting unnecessary stress on your shoulders. That reduces your strength. Instead, keep your elbows slightly tucked, around 30 to 45 degrees. Mistake number 2, poor body alignment. A push-up is not just an arm exercise, it's a full body movement. When your hips drop, you're putting unnecessary stress on your lower back. And when your hips go too high, you shift the load away from your chest. To fix this, tighten your core and glutes, keeping a straight line from your head to heels. Your chest, hips, and legs should move together. Mistake number 3, partial range of motion. If you stop halfway thinking you're saving energy, then you're just limiting your results. When you don't go all the way down, your chest and shoulders aren't fully stretched. And without that full stretch and contraction, muscle growth is limited. Your chest should come close to the floor at the bottom, and your arms should fully extend at the top. That's 1 complete rep. Mistake number 4, going too fast. If you rush through push-ups just to complete more reps, then you lose control of the movement, and momentum starts doing the work instead of your muscles. That means less tension and less muscle growth. That's not training, that's just movement. Slow it down. Take about 2 seconds to go down and 1 second to come up. Focus on feeling the muscles work, not just finishing the rep. Make sure you train the right way, and if this helped, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.